Hey everybody, and welcome to today's video. And today guys, I'll be showing you how to cancel your Disney Plus subscription. So yeah guys, make sure to watch this video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you. It is very easy to do and you will have no problems doing it. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do guys is go ahead to the official Disney Plus website and create an account or log into your existing account depending if you already have one or not. So guys, if you have a subscription and you want to cancel it, all you have to do is the following. Go ahead into the upper right corner where your profile is and put your mouse right there, and this will open up all these new options that you can choose from. So we want to go ahead and click on this option right here called account and open up this option right there. So this will open up this new page that we want to scroll down a bit till we find this option called subscription. So go ahead and click on your subscription. As you can see here it says Disney Plus monthly subscription. Go ahead and click on that, and guys, you can see this will open up this page right here where you can update your payment info and so on and so on. So guys, if you scroll down a bit, you will see this big red button called cancel subscription. So guys, if you're sure you want to cancel your subscription, go ahead and click on that and just confirm and enter your password, and then you'll be able to cancel your subscription. So yeah guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So yeah guys, thank you for watching, take care and bye.